Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Fit bumper. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Begin by locating and removing the single Phillips head screw found within each front wheel well. Next, open the hood and use your trim tool or flat blade screwdriver to carefully pry up and remove the 5 to 8 plastic push pins securing the top of the bumper cover. Moving underneath the vehicle, you'll find several plastic body clips along the bottom edge of the bumper. Use your trim removal tool to pry these out. Some models may also have a few Phillips head screws in this area, so be sure to remove those as well. These fasteners are crucial for securing the bumper cover to the undercarriage splash shield, so take your time to find them all. Now for the sides, carefully pull the bumper cover outwards from the fender wells. You'll hear some clips release, which is normal. Next, use your trim tool to gently pry and release the 3 plastic clips situated directly underneath each headlight. Before completely pulling the bumper away, reach behind and disconnect the electrical harnesses for any fog lights or sensors, typically by pressing a small tab and pulling. Once all clips and screws are detached, the bumper cover should pull straight off the vehicle with minimal force. For reinstallation, simply reverse these steps. Carefully align the bumper's tabs and clips with their corresponding slots, especially around the headlights and fender wells. Remember to reconnect any fog light wiring harnesses. Finally, secure all the screws and push pins, ensuring everything is snug for a proper fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.